To mark the 25th death anniversary of former Lok Sabha MP, late Peter Garnet Marbaniang, a bust erected in his memory was jointly unveiled by Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad Sangma and Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong at a program held at the Laitumkhrah Police Point today, the 29th of September 2022. Apart from family members, friends and children of late P G Marbaniang, that include East Shillong MLA Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh, SP of West Khasi Hills Herbert G Lyngdoh and others, the DGP of Meghalaya R Bishnoi and Archbishop of the Shillong Archdiocese Rev Fr Victor Lyngdoh were also amongst those who were present during the event. Mention may be made that late P G Marbaniang had served as MLA in 1972 and 1983 and also as a minister from 1975 to 1983. Later, between 1988 and 89, late Marbaniang served as Speaker to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. He also represented the state as Member of Parliament in the Lok Sabha from 1989 to 1996. While addressing the gathering that was held at the Vir Angeles Villa at Lumsora, Shillong, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the occasion calls for a reminder of late P G Marbaniang's contributions not only to his constituency and the state of Meghalaya, but to the entire Indian nation as well.
It's been 25 years. That's a long time. As Honorable Deputy Chief Minister was mentioning, that he was very, very young that time when late Peter Marbaniang had first become an MLA. In fact, I wasn't even born that time when he first became an MLA. And I just remember the memories of late Peter Marbaniang and my father, late P. Sangma. I just can remember small glimpses, short, moments, not very clear, but I do remember certain moments when the two of them were together. And just this morning, I was also seeing some pictures of both of them sitting together and chatting. So it's been a very, very long journey for our families together, in fact. So late Peter Marbaniang and late P. Sangma were very close colleagues, friends, worked together. And it's really, I should say, a very happy moment for me and a period, a very important period with his family, M Ampareen, and we all are continuing that legacy of working together and serving the people of the state. What our late fathers had started, I guess, we are doing our best to continue it. And today with the unveiling of the bust, it's not just about the bust. We have to remember that great people, they may leave us and go away, but their ideas, their vision, their legacy will always remain. And even after 25 years of late Peter Marbaniang passing away, to some of you it must be feeling like just yesterday that he was still here. And that is a power of the personality of an individual to be able to influence generations to come. And today this unveiling of this bust is nothing but not just a bust, but it is a powerful message to the future generation, reminding us about the contributions that were made by late Peter Marbaniang, reminding us about the values that he stood for, reminding us about how he dedicated his life not just to the people of the constituency, but as was mentioned by our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, how late Peter Marbaniang had contributed to the entire nation. And therefore, we must always remember and keep those values and strive to follow in those footsteps in the days to come.
Also addressing the gathering was Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong, who insisted upon the need to follow in late Marbaniang's footsteps in dedicating himself to the cause of the people of the state.
There